Hi, and welcome to session 4 of the basics. As we continue to meditate and build upon this practice, we may notice that there are interruptions that we encounter as you meditate. Maybe the doorbell rings, your phone buzzes, or you can hear your neighbor mowing their lawn. We can always take a moment to deal with whatever is going on and return to the practice. And with less pressing issues that don't need to be dealt with right away, we can even use them as a part of our practice, noticing them and then guiding ourselves back to the breath and back to the present moment. When we become distracted, it's natural for our minds to want to get involved. Meditation can teach us how to allow for those distractions to arise and continue to stay connected to that sense of peace and calm as we focus on our breath. So let's take a moment to settle in here, getting comfortable where you are. You can be sitting upright or lying down, whatever feels right for you. And as always, beginning with the eyes open to a soft gaze. And taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feeling the rising and falling sensation as the body breathes. And on the next exhale, allowing the eyes to close. Feeling the weight of the body as it relaxes and presses down. Noticing the different points of contact with the surface beneath you. And settling into the space. Noticing any sounds that may be present. Noticing when the mind has wandered. And now let's bring the attention back to the body. Taking a moment just to check in with the body and notice how it feels here. Maybe you sense some heaviness or tightness, or maybe the body feels light. Just noticing and watching. And then begin to scan down, starting at the head, down to the toes. Just getting a sense of how the body feels. And noticing when the mind has wandered. just gently guiding it back to the body as you move down to the toes. Now begin to notice the breath in the body, feeling that rising and falling sensation, noticing the quality of the breath. And see if the breaths feel long or short, deep or shallow. And now slowly begin to count the breaths as they pass by, allowing the body just to breathe naturally and counting each in-breath, each out-breath, noticing when the mind has wandered and just coming back to the breath again, picking up where you left off. Again, noticing when the mind has wandered and just coming back to the breath. Allowing the thoughts to come and go. And now just letting go of that focus. Allowing the mind to be free. Really doing nothing at all here. Letting the mind think if it wants to think. Just letting go. And then bringing the attention back to the body, noticing your body being supported by the surface beneath you, feeling the weight of your body, noticing your shoulders, your arms, back, and legs. Becoming aware of any sounds or sensations that may be present. Inviting movement back into your hands and your toes. Maybe taking a stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, slowly and gently opening your eyes. And just take a moment here to really appreciate the time that you've taken for yourself today. Appreciate the progress you've made, big or small. It's okay if you're still getting caught up with the thoughts of the mind. Remember, the mind is always changing, and meditation can help us honor those changes with a non-judgmental attitude, which we'll explore in a later session. So again, it's not about judging how you feel compared to the beginning of the practice, but really just noticing the difference in the mind and body and taking a moment to reflect on your practice. Also, you may notice at times you feel tired and even fall asleep as you meditate. And that's okay. Meditation can actually make us aware of how tired we are. So if this is you, you can try practicing before you begin your day or even take the time to rest when you feel tired. Rest is an important part of this journey. Until next time, see you in session 5.